This 2025 Heartland Prowler 3212BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Alvin, Texas, 77511 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV South Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.